think he goes round here.
What? Look at the speed, boys!
What you saying? We're at the fucking ring. You know what's going on.
Keep it flat, let's go.
It's the straight now, isn't it? She's died, boys. Oh, she's died.
She ain't.
She's died, I swear.
I can't do it like DRIVADAVE. See blue lights, still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gaps is dinner it, man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.
What do you want me to do? Take it off? Look at him. Fucking dummy. T.
Tango.
T. At the top. Oh my god, bro. What is wrong with you, bro? There you go.
Can you put your number again, please? It's wrong number.
Bro, is he a fucking spastic or what? He's wrong with his keys, mate. Come here, no, not to do it. You can't do it. Can you clean it up, bro? Come on.
Okay.
Fucking hell. Yeah, back to where we was. So we're on the way to the Nürburgring. We're out to see how the old girl goes round there, you get me? Obviously, she hasn't ever made it to the Nürburgring. There've been a few places in it, but that's one place we haven't reached, so we're going to take it there now. Hopefully it makes it there and don't break down. And yeah, get a few laps in. Let's fucking go, you bastards. Wish me luck.
Guys and sleepers, me and my boys will grind like Makitas. My tunes will blaze out your speakers.
You know, I'm going to fill the tank now. I'm probably going to have to fill it up again before we even get to Calais. Like, bro, this car is thirsty. Like, I don't know what goes on. I think it's alcoholic of some kind. But yeah. Does anyone else ever do that? Ah. Can you just try and round it off to the pound? I know everyone tries to do that. Doing that for a minute. Yo, before we start this video, a quick disclaimer. All driving in this video was filmed in a controlled environment with permitted safety measures in place. Do not attempt to recreate anything you see in this video. We do not condone any dangerous or illegal driving. Always drive responsibly and respect local road laws. That's a disclaimer out the way. Let's fucking go mad.
Yeah.
Yo, we're at the Nürburgring now. We're just cleaning up the car, ready to go out and about because she got a bit dirty on the way. Yeah, man, we're active. Stay tuned.
How many tanks did we make it in the end? 2 tanks?
3 tanks. So we're just going to give it a little freshen up, you get me? So the plan today is we're just going to chill, have some food and that. And we're going to come back tomorrow and try again. So yeah, we're just trying to get on the track, get a few laps in, see where we end up, see how the day goes. You know what's going on. Take us in, look. We're heavy. We got the X3M, yeah? That's what I'm fucking saying. We're at the ring. You know what goes on. Yo, look. £9,000 today. Look, my account. No dodgy. You know what's going on. We're in Germany right now. You can make money on your phone anywhere you go. All you need is a smartphone and brains. You get me? If you want to get involved, click the link above and join our free community right now. You get me? Yo, it's completely free. You can be in there preying all day long, and if it's for you, it's for you. Let's fucking go, you bastards.
Shrink, please. What are you doing?
It's that time, boy. We're about to fucking hold on the X3M. Ah, she's a beast.
me.
tight, stay this side once you've done the corner. And then tight as you can to that barrier. Now. And then you'll have more track. There you go. Now,
Go on, son. You can't go away, son.
Stay tight to the wall here, tight to the wall. All the way to the end of that. Braking's there. Then back on yourself. So like, in here. In here. That's it. Then out. Drift down slowly on this and keep going, but slow. Start to drift to that edge of track. And then you'll end up over there. Up this tight and then go straight here because you'll end up that side then. That's it, straight. There you go.
What's that bang then, boys?
Just something. Look it tight.
Oh, drive train, that was.
Already? No way.
Nah.
No way. Let this ring taxi pass. Stay wide.
Go to
Right. Let him
Oh,
pass.
she's died, boys. Oh, she's
No,
died.
she ain't.
She's died, I swear.
Keep going. I'll show you where we can get off.
I need to turn it off and on.
Whack it into neutral.
I have.
We're back.
Oh, she's back, boy. She's back.
Back on.
Just dug it. Keep going. It'll run out here. That's it. And then it'll run out here.
Look it again.
Yeah. Then stay on the inside. This side. Stay on the inside. That's it. Keep going. Stay this side. Keep going. Stay this side. Stay this side. Back on yourself. When you go through Foxhole now, just stay in the middle. You'll see as you come round here. So round here, hit that apex on that side, and then this will then be a straight line.
Back.
Stay there. Head for that wall there. Head there, and then back up because you're gonna run out of track here.
This way I went out the track before, remember, John?
Remember that RS3 straight over that.
Come on, you slag.
Keep going. Stay that side, and then the braking zone's here. Then turn in now. Come wide here, and then turn in flat, and then this is going to go all the way back round on yourself, yeah. So if you come tight here, and then drift down, Stay wide. Stay wide here. Big turn, this sharp turn coming back on yourself, Bill, yeah? All the way up, get it right in there where the compression is. That's it. If not, you'll run out of track. There you go. 3 left turns now, yeah? So, this is the first one. Keep going. Done it again, or not?
No, it's just not the best.
3 left, yeah? 1, 2, 3, and then you hit the 4th one flat. What? Stay wide here, and then cut in. On the flat bit, that's it. It's clearing up that though.
Johnny,
Stay wide.
what you say, we're active though.
Stay wide.
X3M on the ring.
Right hander, and then another right hand. So stay once you've done this and drift out, and then another right one.
This is it.
They're screaming for it.
Right hander here, and then you're going to roll over the 2 curbs, yeah? So come wide, hit this one. This one here, you can't see it, but there's a curb to roll over, so stay inside. There you go, over the pad, and then straight over that pad as well. There you go. Coming back on yourself now a little bit, so stay to the right. Stay right, that's it. And then down here on the left.
Chase him down. Stay on their line.
Stay wider here, because you're going to run out of road. That's it. Then you're going to roll all the way through, yeah? Keep going.
That's it. Flat it.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Come on, Charlie.
Stay this side, Bill. Stay this side.
That's it.
We can't flat it, you daft cunt. We're going to the bend.
Stay this side, stay in and drift down.
Yeah, big leggy.
Find the click.
Watch him, he's going to turn in him. They're fucking all over the shop.
Flatten him, Bill. Bender.
Bill, you got 4 things behind you. Dogs, everything.
Birds in the sky, Rush. Go.
Keep her up.
Go on, keep it flat, let's
Keep her
go.
up, go. We're on now.
It's the straight now, isn't
What the
it?
hell? Go on.
Yeah.
We're on.
Look at the speed, boys!
Turn her in here because there's the barrier, yeah? There's the barrier.
Which
It's
barrier?
not a straight. There, look. It's not a straight. There's a barrier. You can't go straight on.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Don't turn in.
I'm gonna be honest, yeah, that was fucking sick, mate.
Good little lap.
Fuck it, anyway, we're here for a good time, not a long, time, boys.
That's it.
We'll blow her up together. It's only metal, John.
Hey, but when she pulls, doesn't
Well,
she?
she fucking pulls your arms off. But it's getting her
Hey, no,
to-
there.
No, what way?
No.
Just leave her running, let her cool off for a second, we'll do another.
Brakes.
Oh, the brakes them.
Brakes are smoke.
Smoking.
Big flame.
Big
like that.
flames.
That pipe was fucking glowing all the time. Glowing.
Fucking glowing.
Glowing.
Down the fucking valleys, that pipe. What are you saying? We're active. Nürburgring. You know what's going on. X3M. Yo, let me show you what's going on. You get me? Man are getting paid whilst revving up the motors. Look. So, yo, look. £9,000 today. Look, my account. No dodgy. You know what's going on. We're in Germany right now. You can make money on your phone anywhere you go. All you need is a smartphone and brains. You get me? If you want to get involved, click the link above and join our free community right now. You get me? Yo, it's completely free. You can be in there preying all day long, and if it's for you, it's for you. Let's fucking go, you bastard.
These Germans.
The German.
The Germans.
The
Germans are here.
It's fucking Nürburgring time.
What are we here to do?
X3M, and we're here to smoke.
Everyone.
Yeah, we're on smoke this time. Right, set the track set up to Nürburgring cam on the car.
You know, man. Man's hitting curbstones.
There's a skippy old girl.
Let's get around it.
Running tight. That's it. Yeah, to the other side.
That's it. On him.
That's it.
That's
Curb. Curb again.
It's a bit fast for this track, boys.
That's how we like them.
Yes!
Head up, driver!
One, straight down the bottom. Okay, cool. Big flame.
Right in. That's it. It's that one.
This one's a sharp one, boys.
Hey! Oh boy! Snap your next tree!
Come on, baby.
Is that how it You're a freak.
Should I put her in rear?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Lay
Do we
her up,
test
man.
her out in rear?
That's right, Maria.
Do you think that's the smartest decision?
Nurburg, son. We're here for a good time, not a long time.
That's the smartest decision.
Remember that?
I don't know, but we're in rear now, boys. That's where she gets dangerous, boys.
You're a freak.
my concentrating face on when it's in rear. This car's a death trap.
Talk to us nicely.
Carousel.
Who's me, baby? So proper driver does it, not a traction, real Willow. Woohoo! Real Willow. Woohoo!
This car is something else.
Someone must have got that. This is going to fuel station.
Just everyone just whistle like on zero, just hoping that we make it on fumes. Still got another 5 mile of the track. Successful run at the Nürburgring, the engine's still running, even though we're on 0 miles and we ain't bent it. Good day in the office,
Good
boys.
day in the office.
We've still got another lap yet.
That was that was.
Oh, check us though, we've just had a mad up geezer come over talk about, I just seen you driving the tits off this. It sounds fucking unreal. Mad Welsh geezer, you know, big up him, man. You get me, as there watching, he said that was holding it on. I'll be honest, she's performed alright today. She's done better than I expected. I expected her to have broke down on the first lap because I got a bit of a dodgy drive shaft, but it's holding up alright, so fingers crossed we have a good rest of the good day, and yeah, we were able to get home in the car, so in one piece, mission accomplished. Let's fucking go.
Man can't do it like DRIVADAVE. See blue lights, still blow that chase. X3M got stupid brake. Big whip, wake up the whole estate. Real wheel drive is spinning it mad. Giving out gaps is dinner it, man. Do it on road or spin it on tracks. Man can't do it like us, that's cap.